Hello students, good morning to all of you. This is your GK teacher Kaveri ma'am. I hope you all are doing great and safe at home. So students, today we are going to start a new chapter of GK, that is chapter number 12, apps. So students, before proceeding to book exercise, let us understand that what are apps. Students, apps or mobile applications have taken over our world, isn't it? We are dependent on many of them. So, what exactly are they? An app is a self contained program or piece of software designed to fulfill a particular purpose, especially downloaded to a mobile device. Apps serve a variety of purposes. Some aid in speedy communication, while others are innovative games. Some allow online shopping, while others allow you to call a taxi or keep updated with the news. All at the press of a button, isn't it? Even right now, you people are watching my videos on app only, and that app name as YouTube, isn't it? So students, in this chapter we will be discussing about apps only. So let's start book exercise. Students, first we will complete the A exercise. Match these popular social media apps with their logos and functions. On one side we have to write the number of the logo, and on the other side we have to mark the alphabet of the function of that particular social media app. So let's start this exercise. So first is written Twitter. Twitter logo is third one. So here you have to write third on the left hand side. Okay. And on the right hand side of the Twitter or any other app, you have to write the function number. Okay. Alphabet is given, so you have to write the alphabet. Now Twitter function is to sending and receiving messages of maximum of 140 characters, commonly used by celebrities to connect with their fans. In bracket what is written, in 2017 the character limit was doubled for all languages except Chinese, Japanese and Korean. So Twitter function is B alphabet. So here you have to write B. Next is Facebook. Facebook we can easily locate, isn't it? So sixth number is of Facebook logo, and its function is a social network that allows users to create their profiles to indicate their name, occupation, etc. They can add other users as friends, exchange messages with them, post status updates, etc. and also receive notifications for other users' activities. I know students that many of you are having Facebook account, right? So let us move on to the next one now. Next is WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Is it difficult to label? Huh? We all know which one is WhatsApp logo. That is, yes, you all are right. That is 2 in number. So its function is that it allows users to send text, pictures, videos and also make voice and video calls. Now next one is SoundCloud. SoundCloud logo is number 7 and its function is it is an online audio platform that enables users to record, upload, share and promote their originally created sounds. Now next is Snapchat. Now I know that many of you are having this app. Okay, so Snapchat logo is, yes, that is number 1 and its function is it is a photo messaging app. The photos can be viewed for a maximum of 10 seconds, after which they are automatically deleted. So next is YouTube. Right now you people are using YouTube to watch my videos, isn't it? So YouTube logo is number 4 and its function is it enables sharing and watching of video clips. And the last one is Instagram. Instagram logo is number 5 and its function is it allows its users to take pictures as well as videos and share them on a variety of social networking platforms. Now students, let us discuss the next exercise, that is B. Name these popular apps, fill in the blanks. First one is Dash and Uber are apps that allow you to book a taxi online. I think we all know that, right? The answer is Ola. They promise a safe, secure, and hassle free transportation alternative, especially in major cities. Next is founded by Sachin and Binny Bansal. This app allows online shopping and has a wide range of products from household appliance to clothing. Answer is Flipkart. Next is Dash is an app that lets users find and discover restaurants and eateries, rate them, write reviews and upload pictures of them. Z, it starts from Z students. So answer will be Zomato. So last one is the Dash app allows you to identify any phone number that is calling you, even if you have not saved the number in your contacts. It also allows you to block unidentified callers. And the answer is Truecaller. Truecaller is an app. Students, I think we all are using different apps on daily basis, isn't it? WhatsApp, Ola, Uber, and so many other apps we are using nowadays. These apps are really helpful for all of us, isn't it, students? But here I would like to tell all of you one thing, students, and that is use these apps wisely. Okay? And for today only this much. Now in next video I will come up with the next chapter. So till then, take care of yourself and don't forget to like and share my video as well as subscribe my channel.